Pulsating Sprinkler Instructions. A pulsating or impact sprinkler hitches back and forth slightly as it rotates and projects a watery stream across your lawn. A wall faucet and standard water hose supply water to the stealthy sprinkler by connecting to the opening near the bottom of the plastic or metal sprinkler stem. 2 or more sprinklers may be connected together using as many water hoses. After mapping out the positioning of your sprinklers, you might have questions about how to use and adjust the sprinklers. Things you'll need: standard water hoses. Push the spike on the bottom of the pulsating sprinkler into a central location of the desired watering area. Connect one end of a standard water hose to a water faucet head and the other to the opening at the base of the sprinkler. If you wish to link 2 or more pulsating sprinklers together, remove the cap on the other side of the opening at the base of the sprinkler, connect another water hose to the newly exposed opening and connect the other end to another sprinkler. Insert a screwdriver or a supply tool into the diffuser screw near the nozzle and screw it clockwise toward the stream to shorten the throw or water projection range by 25% and produce more of a misting effect. The adjustment won't affect the amount of water flowing through the sprinkler. Twist the screw counterclockwise to restore the throw to full capacity. Lower the distance control flap in front of the nozzle to further control the throw of the stream. The water deflected off the flap is redistributed within closer quarters of the watering area. Twist the distance control valve, which a pulsating sprinkler may have in place of a control flap, to the desired water projection distance. The dial is located on top of the spray head. The dial is sometimes marked with range options. Lower the trip pin at the base of the sprinkler to rest between the 2 trip collars, which encircle the lower stem of the sprinkler. Move each of the collars to align with the watering area's left and right borders. If the trip collars are metal, squeeze the handles of each to move them. When the pulsating sprinkler is activated, the trip pin keeps the sprinkler within the rotation range of the trip collars. Raise the trip pin completely up and out of the way of the trip collars to produce a continuous 360-degree rotation.